I am back and I am about to do the ribbon part of my fairy garden number 2. So again, I am using for the ribbons the Phthalocyanine blue by Liquitex Basics, Iridescent blue green by Pēbēo Studio Acrylics, Phthalo green by Amsterdam, and Iridescent green yellow by Pēbēo again. So I have them, oops, sorry, I keep bumping into that. I have them mixed up here, and I am going to just layer them into their own little individual cups so that I have the greens together and the blues together. So we're just gonna get started here. Okay, so I have my beautiful cups. I think I'm gonna start with the green. So when you're doing the ribbons, you wanna start off the canvas and then come up and do whatever you're gonna do and come on and off so that you start getting the swirl patterns on there. And I may even go like this. So I'm done with my vines, and here are a couple still shots of them before I get on to doing the stenciling. So of course with the stenciling, the paint in the background has dried, and these were just stencils that I got off Amazon, I think several different sites, and I'll just let you guys sit back and watch the process. But I have to say, it was so fun to do this and then lift the stencil up and see what was remaining that was behind. And it was just a fun creative process to create this magical fairy garden. Of course, right now I'm just creating the garden part. Eventually I'll get on to the fairies, as you will see. So sit back, relax, and watch. Coming back in here just to point out that I wanted this leaf to look like it was hiding in behind the vines. So you will see I am painting the leaf, but I am leaving the that light green, which is supposed to be the vine, alone. So I'm painting up to those lines. So it will look like this leaf is hidden behind the vine. Okay, here we go. We're lifting it off. So what did you think? Did I achieve the effect? I think I did. So now I thought I'd break out glitter glue, and these are stickles. I got them at Michael's, and they came in a 3-pack. I just thought I would add a little bling to certain parts, especially the little flowers, just help them stand out a little more. And let's face it, it was fun to use glitter in this way, and you don't end up with glitter all over the place. So I've got my garden done, and now it's time to put the fairies on, and I am placing that fairy right next to like a dandelion to make it look, in my opinion, hopefully you'll share it, that she is about to blow the dandelion and send the bits flying. So you'll see me now putting these two-tone fairies in place, and I wanted to make them all different colors. And check it out. Some will be hiding, again, behind the vine. Some will be in front. Again, just trying to create more interest and a little bit more of a 3D effect. So again, sit back and watch. here is the finished piece. I just love it. It's definitely got a very fantasy-esque look to it. I added some butterflies, some dragonflies, and it just looks like the fairies are having a great time in the garden. I liked how blingy the flowers turned out and just how playful this whole painting is, especially with that kind of sunset mode. So upcoming is going to be a still shot, and then we're going to compare it to my previous fairy garden that I did. The previous one is on the right, and with that one, it just, to me, looks like I'm about to enter into this fairy garden, whereas the one on the left, Fairy Garden 2, we're already right in it. So the first one we were kind of in the doorway, and now we're right in there playing along with the fairies like we're one of them. Let me know which one is your favorite, and thank you as always for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.